Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to give you a complete digital marketing walkthrough for beginners in 2026. If you're brand new to digital marketing or you've tried bits and pieces but still feel confused, this video is designed to give you clarity, not overwhelming. By the end of this video, you will understand what digital marketing actually is, the main channels you should focus on in 2026, how everything connects together, and a simple roadmap you can follow as a beginner. No jargon, no hype, just the full picture. Let's start from the beginner. What is digital marketing, right? Digital marketing is any form of digital of marketing done online. Anytime a business runs the ads on Google or social media, posts content on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, sends emails to customers, shows up on Google search results. That's digital marketing. The goal is always the same: get attention, build trust, turn that attention into sales or leads. Right? So let's talk about the digital marketing ecosystem, the big picture. In 2026, digital marketing is not about one platform. It's an ecosystem made up of 5 core parts: traffic, content, conversion, retention, analytics. If you understand these 5 pieces, digital marketing becomes logical instead of confusing. Let's break each one down. Part 1: traffic. How people find you. Traffic is how people discover you online. In 2026, the main traffic sources are social media: Instagram, TikTok, X, LinkedIn, search engines like Google, YouTube, paid ads like Google Ads, Meta Ads, referrals and collaboration like, basically a link provided by the platform you can share to other people, and they will basically, once they join by your referral, you will earn like a prize from this platform. Okay, pick one organic traffic source and one paid option later on. For example, organic, TikTok or Instagram; paid, Meta Ads or Google Ads. Traffic is useless without the next step: content. Content is what people see after they find you. This includes short videos, long YouTube videos, blog posts, emails, ads. In 2026, video dominates, especially short form video. Your content should do one of 3 things: educate, entertain, solve a problem. As a beginner, focus on problem solving content. Example: how to fix X, why your ads aren't working, beginner's mistake to avoid, right? The trust is built through consistency, not perfection. Next, funnels and conversions, where beginners get lost. This is where most beginners fail, not because it's hard, but because nobody explains it clearly, right? A funnel is simply a path someone takes before buying. Basic beginner funnel: content, link, page, action. That action should be or could be buying a product, signing up for email list, booking a call. In 2026, you don't need complex funnels. One simple landing page that clearly explains who it's for, what problem it solves, what to do next. That's enough to start. All right? Next, the paid advertising. Paid ads allow you to buy attention instead of waiting for it. The main platforms in 2026 are Google Ads, Meta Ads, which includes Facebook and Instagram, and TikTok ads. Beginners should avoid boosting posts randomly. Instead, have a clear offer, send traffic to a specific page, track results. Ads don't fix bad offers, they expose them. Start ads only after you understand content and funnels. Next, email marketing and retention. This is where the most underrated part of digital marketing. Email marketing allows you to own your audience, follow up automatically, sell without ads, right? In 2026, email still converts better than social media. As a beginner, offer something free: guide, checklists, discount, collect emails, Send the simple, valuable emails once or twice a week. Retention is cheaper than acquisition. Okay? This is tools beginners actually need. Not too many. You don't need 20 tools. Basic starter pack social media platform like Meta Ads, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, a simple website or landing page, an email marketing tool, okay, and eventually analytics, or you can use Google Ads or Google Analytics or platform insights. Okay, that's it. Tools don't make money, systems do. Okay, and this is common beginner mistakes to avoid as a beginner. If you aspire to be a digital marketer, this is where you should focus more. So because it will save you months of frustration. Avoid jumping platforms every week, buying courses without execution, focusing on logos and branding too early, obsessing over followers instead of conversions, copying tactics without understanding strategy. Digital marketing rewards clarity and consistency. Okay, so here's a realistic path. Month 1, learn fundamentals, pick one niche, pick one platform. Month 2, create consistent content, study what works, improve messaging. Month 3, build simple funnel, start collecting emails. Month 4 plus, optimize, test ads, and scale what works. Slow is fast when done right. Okay, so digital marketing in 2026 is not about hacks or shortcuts. It's about understanding people, solving real problems, using digital tools to scale trust. If you focus on fundamentals, you will always win, even as platforms change. Okay? Basically, if this complete walkthrough helped you, like the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below what area of digital marketing you want a deep dive on next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.